Hello everyone, I'm Harsh Khan and today's topic is switch and flip of brackets. First of all, I would discuss how you can visualize positive or negative tip in a bracket. As a rule of thumb, if the mesial slot of the bracket is directed toward the occlusal plane, both in the upper and lower arch, positive tip would be expressed. In upper arch, the mesial slot would be slightly downward, and in lower arch, it would be upward to express positive tip before passing a wire. Because when a straight wire is passed, it will upright the mesial slot and positive tip would be expressed. So in the lower arch also, the mesial slot should be toward the occlusal plane before passing a wire to express positive tip. For torque application, the same rules apply. If the opening of the slot is directed toward the occlusal plane, both in the upper and lower arch, or both in the upper and lower bracket, positive torque would be expressed, because this is before the passing of a wire, because a straight wire which engages the slot at an angle, that is ideally a rectangular wire, would express a positive torque if the slot of the bracket is directed toward the occlusal plane. If the slot of the bracket is directed away from the occlusal plane toward the gingiva, a rectangular or square wire that engages the bracket at an angle would express negative torque. The first example is alteration in tip of the bracket, and that is flip only. As you see, it's a left maxillary canine bracket which has a positive tip. If we invert the bracket or flip the bracket at 180 degree, the tip would remain the same. But if we swap the bracket from the left side to the right side, where the hook was previously distal and now it becomes mesial, negative tip would be expressed, because now the hook part of the bracket, which is now mesial on the right canine, is more toward the gingiva, so it would express negative tip. The next example is flipping of the bracket. If we flip the bracket, the torque reverses. In central incisor brackets, maxillary central incisor, the slot is usually directed toward the occlusal plane before passing the wire or before the wire aligns the slot. So a positive torque is expressed. But if we flip the bracket, the torque of the bracket would become negative. Now we will discuss swapping of the brackets and its effect on tip and torque. Suppose if we swap the bracket from the left to the right side, the torque will remain the same, but the tip will become negative. But if we swap the bracket from the left to the right side and also flip it, both tip and torque would become negative. Now we would discuss an example where bracket is swapped in the opposing arch. If the bracket is swapped in the opposing arch on the same side of the mouth or in the same side quadrant, the tip of the bracket would become opposite, and the same is the case with torque. If we swap the bracket in the opposing arch on the same side of the quadrant and also flip that bracket, the torque of the bracket would become positive, but tip would remain negative because flipping has no effect on the tip of the bracket. If we swap the bracket in the opposing quadrant in the same arch, as we have discussed before, the tip of the bracket would become negative, but torque would remain the same. But if we swap the bracket in the opposing arch in the opposite quadrant, the tip of the bracket would remain the same, but the torque would become negative. If we swap the bracket in the opposite quadrant and also flip it, the tip of the bracket would become negative, and so is the torque. But if we swap the bracket in the opposing arch in the opposite quadrant, the tip of the bracket would remain the same, and the torque would also remain the same because we have flipped the bracket. This is a short summary of switch and flip. If someone has any question, kindly write it down. I hope it would be useful.